The special difficulties. As you know, in each passage, the first exercise of special difficulties says to write or ask us to write sentences to bring out the differences between the following pairs of words. We have a group of words. The exercise asks us to put each word in a sentence to show its meaning. So let's start with emptiness. We can say nights were filled with emptiness. Vacancy, he is going to leave a vacancy in our life. Custom, the hero has 5 customs to change. Suit, John asked me to buy a new suit. Effort, I appreciate your effort. Trail, he didn't get a fair trial. Entertainment, the town provides a wide choice of entertainment. Amusement, there is a voice of amusement in her. There is a voice of amusement in her voice. She does an incredible job of playing Othello. Some people are so credulous that they would believe anything. You should study the effect of this new strategy on learning. And finally, your opinion affects my decision. Exercise number 2. Note the use of inner and outer in these phrases. Inner emptiness, outer impressiveness. The exercise asks us to give sentences using the following expressions: inner room, inner tube, outer world, and outer shell. You can use or you can write any sentence you like. For example, the outer shell of the earth is solid. For Mary led the guest to the inner room, and so on. The third exercise asks us to use the words in italics in sentences in order to bring their literal meaning. I will leave this exercise for you to do, and we are going to discuss it in our classroom. So let's move to exercise number 4. Exercise number 4 asks us to supply the correct suffix to the following words. Actually, this exercise talks about affixation. First of all, we need to know what is affixation. Affixation means a morphological process by which bound morphemes are attached to a root or stem to mark changes in meaning, part of speech, or grammatical relationship. These are very important because we have some suffixes. When we add them to the root or to the stem, we are going to change the meaning, the part of speech, or the grammatical function. Actually, in English, we have prefix and suffix. Prefix refers to those prefixes actually refers to those morphemes which precede the root or the stem. These prefixes do not change the part of speech or show the grammatical relationship. They do the change in meaning. For example, we have the adjective happy. When we add the prefix "and" to it, it becomes unhappy. Here we have the opposite meaning of happy. We do not change the category of the word, for example, from adjective to noun, or from verb to adjective, and so on. We have a large number of prefixes. I will mention some of them. like an, M, IR, IL, RE, DE, IN, NT, and etc. Actually, prefixes is not our concern. Our concern is the suffixes. Suffixes refers to those morphemes that are attached to the root or stem, and they comes after the root, not before. You have to pay attention to the difference between prefix and suffix. Prefix comes before the root, while suffixes become after the root. Suffixes in English are divided into derivational and inflectional. The derivational suffixes change the category, while the inflectional show the grammatical function. For example, when we say eat is a present verb, eaten is a past participle of the verb eat. We add the suffix en. This suffix shows us that the verb is changed from present to past participle. The same thing with ing suffix. Ing suffix is used to show the gerund, to show the continuation of the action, and so on. The derivational suffixes are going to change the category. For example, we are going to derive a noun from a verb, we are going to derive an adjective from a noun, we're going to derive an adverb from the verb, and so on. Let's move to our exercise and add the correct suffix. Empty is going to be emptiness. We are going to add the suffix ness. Impressiveness, we add ness. Real is either realism or reality. We add ism or ity. Absurd, absurdity, ity. Trivial, triviality, ity. Human is either humanness or humanity. Either we add ness or ity. Credible, credibility, ity. Motive, motivation, tion. Censor, censorship, ship. And entertain, entertainment, ment. The last exercise asks us to explain the meaning of a plot in these sentences. The word plot is used in each sentence, but in each sentence it has different meaning. So let's guess the meaning according to the context or according to the sentence. Number 1. These efforts help to mask the trivialities of the plots. Plots here means stories. Plots equals stories. Number 2. We plotted our course on the map. Plotted means planned. Planned. Number 3. They are plotting to bring about the downfall of the government. Plotting means caballing. Number 4. Now that I have got this plot, I will be able to build a house when I can afford it. Plot here means land. Land. So, the first plot is stories. The second one is planned. The third one is caballing. The fourth one is land. Thank you very much. See you or meet you next Sunday.